Hi, Tony Poulos here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. I've managed to catch up with Mike Ropicky, who is the Vice President Asia Pacific for Tektronix Communication. Mike, welcome.
Thank you, Tony.
Mike, the first thing I'd like to ask you is, what do you see as the key challenges facing the Asia Pacific operators for 2014?
In Asia, we live in a very diverse environment. It's a microcosm of many different markets. As a matter of fact, Asia has almost every kind of market inside of it. We have developing, emerging, and mature markets. And the network challenges that we see are creating happy customers. Happy networks, happy customers. Now, what do we mean by that? A large number of diverse networks that we have out there that often overlap. Those networks have to have happy customers. What we do at Tektronix Communications is make sure that the network is happy and it makes the customer happy.
That's a very good point, and I think overlooked by a lot of people. You mentioned happy networks creating happy customers. What do you mean by that? And are you sure that a happy network carries across to those happy customers?
It does carry across a happy customer. And what makes a happy customer? A customer who enjoys using their service, is happy with their data speeds, gets their voice performance all the time, gets served by the customer care agent when they call in, and actually recommends that service provider to a friend. So how the network performs is very important to keeping the customer happy. And in Asia Pacific, as we said, many of our customers are going through 2G, 3G, and 4G migrations. They need to know what the customer is doing, even though the subscriber is moving across the different networks. The interesting thing that happens is the RAN performance actually can contribute to over 70% of the problems. Customer care is very, very important to ensure the RAN performance.
I understand you've just acquired Newfield Wireless. How will that affect your portfolio, and what effect will that have on your customers in Asia Pacific?
We are very excited to have acquired Newfield Wireless. Newfield is an expert in the geoanalytics space. As we said, many things that make a customer happy happen to be living in the RAN. 70% of the reasons that a customer could be unhappy could because the RAN performance isn't acceptable. It's causing problems, drop calls and other things. Newfield can see the entire network. We can combine the information that they bring us and visualize it in an end-to-end solution. It just made so much sense. We're the experts in understanding the core. We're the experts in visualizing it through care modules. And now we can bring the RAN performance in and see the entire network end to end, making happy networks which create happy customers.
Mike, great to hear all about the RAN and exactly what you're doing to make it work for everybody. I love the idea of being a happy customer. Thanks very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.